Warm greetings from the Beekeepers Association of Camarines Norte, Bicol, Philippines. We are thrilled to embark on this melancholy tourism journey, showcasing the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage of our region through stingless beekeeping. As we prepare for the International Stingless Beekeeping Symposium, we look forward to sharing our experiences, learning from the global experts, and fostering collaboration and the elevate our industry. Join us in celebrating the sweetness of stingless beekeeping and the beauty of the melancholy tourism. Let's work together to promote sustainable beekeeping practices, community development, and environmental conservation. Looking forward to a fruitful symposium and meaningful connections. I'm Maria Cecilia Caballero Sabala Pider, Overall President of Beekeepers Association of Camarines Norte. Congratulations and mabuhay!
Good morning sa lahat. Ako po si Isabel de los Santos. Ako po ang nagmamayari ng Bispring Honey Bee Farm. Ang Bispring Honey Bee Farm ito po ay mayroong mahiwagang serbisyo stingless beehive para sa komunidad. Ang Bispring Honey Bee Farm ay nag-aalok ng serbisyo katulad ng stingless bee tours sa mundo ng mga bubuyog at pagpaparami at pag-aalaga nito, natural health product na gawa sa raw materials ng stingless bee honey, bee propolis at bee pollen product para sa kalusugan natin, cosmetic and skin care na may stingless bee honey at iba pang natural na sangkap, stingless beekeeping workshop, pagsasanay pag-aalaga ng stingless bees at mga produkto nito, community engagement, yan po ay napakahalaga, pakikipag-ugnayan sa komunidad upang itaguyod ang melancholy tourism at pag-aalaga ng stingless bees. Ang Bispring Honey Bee Farm ay nag-aalagang magbigay ng mga serbisyo na makakatulong sa komunidad at pag-promote ng Sustainable Development Program.